Idol, babae ako, hyperacidic, tsaka may hypertension. Medyo overweight ako, so may nakita akong 10-minute workout sa TikTok. So yun, ginawa ko, tapos yun, nag-hyperacidity ako, sumakit tiyan ko, sumakit yung likod ko, yung bato ko. So meaning, nabigla ka. Dapat talaga kahit sino, kondisyon man o hindi, athlete man o hindi, you start from the beginning and then you progress. Progressive overload. Sanayin muna natin katawan natin. Bigyan natin ng time to adjust para, di ba, ganun yung to stimulate muscle. Kasi nangyari, annihilate ka agad. Kung baga, skinip mo yung foundation, yung step 1, 2, 3, nasa step 10 ka na, high intensity, 10 minutes. Simula ka 10 minutes walking, 10 minutes na slowly lang but surely, 10 reps bodyweight squats, bodyweight push-ups, planking, and then later on, kasi iba na yan, pag mga hit na yan, pang malupitan na yan. Diba? Gradual lang ano natin, ang fitness journey natin. Tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy guys. God bless.